Not eat it!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Obstacles, hamster cage, unicycle, winter's car.
Too much with the puzzle. The puzzle! Rest! No joke. Little guy may have broken Pac's burger inhaling record. Not possible! I just got here. That Pac porker better not have
Deserve special privileges.
What in? I guess Fuzzbits doesn't like the taste of Barely Pass any more than I do. Hey, that's a grade A quiz you're chowing down!
Good for you, Pac.
Even better for you, Silly! You got an A+! Plus, plus! Silly, you've raised the smartness bar to new heights.
Not high enough, apparently.
Oh, sorry, onions. Oh, and garlic, wow. Oh.
It smells in here.
You've got to stop feeding him marshmallows. It's not good for him to eat only marshmallows.